Hi, I wanted to show you my little fan plugged into my power bank. It's just beautiful, sitting here in a breeze. It's perfect. So I paid $7 for this from Uncle Bill's, but then I was told you can get them for $5 from the warehouse. So worth their weight in gold, and get yourself a little power bank. I can use my phone over here on the bed, and I charge the power bank and my phone also in a new cigarette charger thingy. I got a double plug, so I can do both at the same time. So I'm getting myself sorted because it is awfully hot. So it'd be nice if I just had a little window here, even though I have got the door open and getting a breeze through there as well, and got the vent open. But this little fan is lovely, little personal fan. So I'm getting sorted very slowly, almost done. Just want a little fridge now. Okay, thought I'd show you that. Bye, have a good day.